Hello students! In this video you will learn to pronounce the sounds of the vowel E. E as in grin, green, get and girl. Using spoken English encourages casual conversations and effortless speech delivery. E as in grin, how to say it. Slightly stretch the lips to the sides. The tongue, cheeks and jaw are relaxed as the short E sound is produced. Let's read the following words.
Gift, equip, skill, city, finger, scissors, bring, build, timid, deliver, wicked, invisible.
It is your turn to read. Are you ready?
Great job. Dictionary, thinking, millions, thin, willow, jellyfish, Philippines, brilliant, hills, still, itch, ship. Your turn. Great job. Dipper, wishes, link, swift, live, rhythm, spirit, principle, bridge, filling, zipping, ticket, stiff, drink. It's your turn to read. Great job. Continue. Mills, bill, switch, sick, pick, rich, quickly, whisper, 16, different, anything, mission, fishes. Are you ready? It's your time to read. Great job. Let's now read some phases. A pair of scissors. A handy dictionary. Delivers quickly. Your turn. In the Philippines. Fully equipped ship. The principal's office. Your turn. So many jellyfish. Pink handkerchief. Millions of Filipinos. Your turn. Sentences.
Have you improved your speaking skills? Please bring scissors for your art class. Their rice mill is in the province. I need to practice quick thinking. May I have fish and chips, please? In which building does your daddy work? Mommy, can I join our class field trip to the zoo? The naughty boy spilled the soup on his shirt. It happened while the family was having a party. Now, it's your time to read the sentences. I know you can do it.
Great job.
Let us read the poem entitled If I Could Have a Party by Linda B. Ross. If I could have a party and invite anyone I like, I'd ask a penguin and a grizzly bear and a gorilla on a bike. If I could have a party and invite anyone at all, I'd ask a chipmunk and a chimpanzee and an ostrich 6 feet tall. If I could have a party and invite anyone I choose, I'd ask an iguana and a silver fox and the hippos in the zoos. Can you read again the poem? Let us read again. Let's go. Join me. If I Could Have a Party by Linda B. Ross. If I could have a party and invite anyone I like, I'd ask a penguin and a grizzly bear and a gorilla on a bike. If I could have a party and invite anyone at all, I'd ask a chipmunk and a chimpanzee and an ostrich 6 feet tall. If I could have a party and invite anyone I choose, I'd ask an iguana and a silver fox and the hippos in the zoos.
Very good.
E as in reach. Feel, peace, reach. Beach, secret, cheek. Leak, teach, each. Green, meal, deep. Leak, seal, meat. Breeze, seems, easy. sheep, leave. Speak, deal, seek. Great job! Let's now read some phrases. Let's go. Reading is fun. Easy for you. The vending machine, her red cheeks. When you feel it, the autumn leaves, feel the breeze. Achieve in class, if you meet, the green peas. Now, let's read some sentences. Is it easy for you to speak English? Kindly read again. There is vending machine in the campus. Kindly read again. I wonder why her cheeks are so red. Your turn. You feel the heat during the summer. Your turn. Have you seen the leaves falling during autumn? Your turn. Come here to feel the breeze. Your turn. I hope to achieve good grades in all my subjects. Your turn. Now, listen well as I read the reasons why we get thirsty. This will enhance your listening skills and can also improve your reading skills as well. You need water to keep healthy. Your body needs water to change food into energy. You need about 8 glasses of water every day, and even more when it's hot outside. So feeling thirsty is your body's way of sending you a message. More water, please. Every living thing needs water, but some plants and animals do not need as much as others of their kind. It almost never rains in dry places, so plants and animals in the desert have learned to live with very little water. They save every drop they can get. For example, a cactus saves water inside its thick skin. Its sharp needles keep thirsty animals from sucking it out. The amount of water in our planet has not increased with the passage of time. It is the same as before, but there are many more people now than there used to be. They use much more water than people did long time ago. We must use water wisely so that everyone can get as much as he or she needs. Is there enough water for everyone? Let us hope so. Thank you for watching. If you learned from our video, please hit the subscribe button below and comment what you are thinking now. Always remember, let us become a better person than yesterday. Mabuhay!